Recycling scrap compressors is one of the most challenging tasks in metal recycling. Compressors from air conditioners and refrigerators are sealed structures with thick steel shells, complex internal components, and tightly packed motor parts. Traditional manual dismantling is slow, labor-intensive, unsafe, and often results in low recovery efficiency. To solve these challenges, we introduce our compressor scrap dismantling and recycling line, designed for efficient, safe, and standardized compressor processing. This line adopts a workflow-based dismantling system combined with manual operation, ensuring flexibility while significantly improving productivity. The process starts with a plasma cutting machine, which cleanly and quickly cuts open the compressor shell. Compared with manual cutting, plasma technology offers higher speed, cleaner cuts, and improved operator safety. Once the outer shell is opened, the compressor moves to the next station, where a dedicated cutting machine is used to dismantle the internal motor components. This step allows the motor stator to be separated intact, preparing it for further processing such as copper winding removal and metal recovery. This dismantling line is an ideal solution for recycling plants handling large volumes of AC and refrigerator compressors, helping turn complex scrap into valuable recyclable materials. Interested in compressor recycling solutions? Contact us for details, layout design, and customized configurations.